This is the difference between federal cases and state cases as explained to me by a TFO or a task force officer that made so much sense. Whenever we process our clients, we have a lot of downtime and I end up talking to the agents, the TFOs, the police officers, simply because we're waiting for the marshals to process the client on a voluntary self-surrender, and then there's all the time in the world and you really don't have cell phone service a lot of the times when you're in the basement floor with the marshals. This is the explanation. The local prosecutors and the NYPD and the state law enforcement, they are reactive in nature, meaning somebody calls 911, says a crime has been committed, there's some sort of investigation, usually a brief investigation, before an arrest is made. The DA's office and the NYPD, they're not striving for perfection, they're striving for a prosecutable case. On the federal side, it's a bit different in the sense that it is proactive and not reactive when it comes to building cases. Typically, a tip comes in or the feds get some sort of information that a crime is going on, and then they start building their case. They interview witnesses, they subpoena the records, they hit search warrants, they go on wiretaps in some situations, and they have all this time, months if not years, to really develop the case and get everything ready. And by the time the feds take the case down, they know where you went to third grade, they know your favorite subject in school, they know who you live with, they know your friend circle, they know generally how often you go to see your grandma, they have a very robust picture of who you are as a person, what your involvement is, and how they will prove the criminal case against you. On the state side, they do not have the benefit of time. And this is really the difference between the 98% conviction rate in the feds and a slightly lower conviction rate in the state, which I believe is around 90% in New York. It's literally the benefit of time and the benefit of resources.